Isaiah 26:9. In the night I search for you. In the morning I earnestly seek you. For only when you come to judge the earth will people learn what is right. Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is MakeupbyJayTee. If today's your first time of seeing me, that's my name. If it's not your first time, welcome back my love. I don't think that was the right energy for this season, so take two. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is MakeupbyJayTee. If today's your first time of seeing me, that's my name. If it's not your first time, welcome back my love. If today's your first time of stopping into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Okay? I don't have my hype man here with me today. He's asleep upstairs with his dad. So today should be smooth and fun. So today's gonna be my first and probably only all-day makeup tutorial. Me personally, when I think of the all-day, I always think of green. I don't know why green always calls my name when I think of the holiday. I know everyone always tends to lean towards the reds, the golds, but I'm a green girl when it comes to the, when it comes to Christmas season. I think more green. Although green is also one of my favorite colors, so maybe that's why. So it's gonna be an all-day makeup tutorial, but I do want to keep it under affordable and drugstore brands. Y'all, you don't even have to tell me. I know this. I think I'm really getting better at, styling my hair and, laying the frontal and all that stuff. The hair I'm rocking in this video is the same hair that I was rocking in my previous video, which is the Julia hair Brazilian straight. And I'm going to leave all the details of the hair right down here, and I'll also leave it in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. I'm really excited. When I want to do green and purple eyeshadow looks, I get excited. Like, I have this excitement in me. I think it's just because I know it's going to look good regardless. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows and I'll be right back. Alright, brows done. Y'all, for the past month or so, I have been using pencil to fill in my brows. I remember back when I started, doing makeup, I used to run away from using pencil to fill in my brows. I felt like I couldn't control it. One, I guess back then when I started, it was more of bold brows, defined and all that stuff. For the most part, I still do my brows, in a way, in a defined way. But like I said, for the past 1 month, I've been using this 2-brow pencil, and you would not believe this pencil costs 99 cents each. And I have been in love with my brows. I've been in love with the color. I've been in love with how cheap it is. Never for once thought, cheap pencils like this can give me brows like this. Like, literally, this is all I use. These two. I use a darker one to outline, and I use the lighter one to fill it in. And this pencil is from Jordana. 99 cents. Like I always said in all of my tutorials, if you guys are interested to see an updated brow tutorial, let me know. If you're not, that's fine too. That's just fine. Alright, let's move right along. Please pardon me. This eyeshadow base is not drugstore. I used this last week and I've been hooked on it. Like, I love this eyeshadow base. Like, I'll give you guys an alternative. One of my favorite concealer to use as an eyeshadow base is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I love this. I love using this as an eyeshadow base. I always get the lighter shade, which is golden, as my eyeshadow base, and I use the caramel as my under eye. So you guys can definitely use this. This is the Frankie Rose I Promise Eye Primer. So I like to just tap it on like that. And then you see how I'm leaving that edge up there. I just started trying this, and I just take the Eyebrow concealer and put it at the top. And that's just because I do not want to drag the eyeshadow base all the way to my brow bone. That's the only reason why I'm doing that. Alright, let's get a little closer. Now I'm going to be taking the Makeup Addiction Sinful Eyes palette. And I'm going to start the look by taking the shade Naked Lunch. Naked Lunch is a really nude color, so you might not be able to see it on camera. Alright, that's done. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Wildfire. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade Shameless. I'm going to use Shameless to start adding some definition to my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Night Moves. Taking a blending brush and a little bit more of Shameless mixed with Wildfire. I'm going to use that just to blend right up here. Now I'm going to go back into that Frankie Rose eye primer. I'm going to take a bit more of it and I'll use that to cut my crease, but like an halo. I'm going to take a mixture of soiled money and Night Moves. Pause on the blending for a second, and I'll be taking this pigment, Black Gold. The dry looks green, but it has like green reflects gold and black. Now I'm going to be taking this Jordana retractable pencil, and it's in the shade Sea Green. Alright, eyes completed. Let's get to the face. To start prepping my face, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Primer Water Spray. going to be taking the Milani's Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. And then I'll be taking the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. For foundation, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is the shade Cappuccino. Now I'm going to be taking the Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Beauty Sponge. To set my under eyes, I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup. I'm going to set my entire face using the LA Color Mineral Press Powder in the shade Toasted. To bronze and contour my face, I'll be using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. Lining my lip using Morphe's lip liner in the shade Bite Me. First I'll be using Color Drain Sugar, and then I'll top it with Beauty Vault About Amen. I'm gonna set my entire face using Make It Last by Milani. For glow, I'll be using ColourPop X Sheila eyeliner in the shade Pose. Alright guys, this completes the look. I hope you guys did enjoy this, and I hope you guys are able to recreate this for Christmas, your Christmas party, your New Year. You can even wear this for New Year's Eve. Let me know if you guys do recreate this. Tag me on Instagram, tag me anywhere you can tag me. Send me your pictures. Let me see your recreation of this. Thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to check my description box for all details and list of products that I use. I'm gonna have everything down there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.